So I came out to visit a contractor today. He is installing roofing foil on a tear-off. Now this is a crazy roof. This is a 16,000 square foot blue tile roof. And they're tearing off this entire roof and they're replacing it with the stone-coated steel roof, and they're using the roofing foil underlayment. Now I'm going to walk down here real quick and you can see exactly what's going on. On the right hand side you can see where they've torn off the tiles and they're stacking it up. On the left hand side you can see they've got the roofing foil already partially installed. Now it is super windy today. In fact, I was actually surprised that they were going to be working, but the roofing foil is so strong and durable. It's Miami-Dade County approved, so it can be used in Hurricane County areas. It can be used anywhere. It's never going to tear off. So once this roof is installed and they use the stone-coated steel, the building is going to be a lot cooler and more energy efficient. So this is going to be an amazing roof. I'll check back in a couple of days once they start putting on the stone-coated steel roof. Okay, I'm back on this job, a 16,000 square foot roof. They tore off that blue ceramic tile I showed you in the earlier video, and now they're installing a stone-coated steel Boral shingle type roof. And they are doing what's called a batten counter batten system. Now if you look to the left hand side, you can see they've already got the roof partially installed, and on the right hand side you can see all the wood battens. Those are the battens and the counter battens. I'm going to show you exactly how they've done this. And so right here you can see they're actually running one set of battens up and down the slope of the roof. That creates an air channel underneath the second batten, which is going horizontal. Now they're attaching the steel roof directly to that second batten. So this is what's called a back ventilated cladding, and that's a good thing to have in the building science world. We always want to back ventilate anything we can because it helps reduce heat, reduce moisture, condensation, everything. It's just the way to go. Now if you could be up here, you could feel just how much heat that foil, the roofing foil, is reflecting. And so the way it actually works, I'm going to demonstrate this real quick. You've got your required airspace. This roof gets hot. Normally it radiates heat across this space and it gets absorbed by the underlayment, and then it goes into the roof deck. But with the roofing foil, it's reflecting the radiant heat. That's the invisible part of the light spectrum. It's the part that you feel, not the part you see. So that heat is being reflected back about 97%, and that roof deck right below is going to be 15 to 30 degrees cooler than if you had like a traditional black roofing felt. So this is an amazing roof. It's going to be super efficient, high quality roof that'll last many years. Okay, I'm back at my desk, and that was an amazing roof. You don't see a lot of 16,000 square foot residential roofs. And I was really surprised it was really close to the warehouse. What's not surprising is how popular roofing foil has become over the last couple years. We have got contractors who are buying it by the full pallet and putting it on every single roof they do. And there's only one reason why, and that's because it works. Radiant barrier in a roofing system is the absolute best thing you can do. It is basically like putting a tree over the building. I always tell people, your house is just a big box sitting in the sun. If you've ever been in your attic, you know you get a disproportionate amount of heat through the top of the box. When you install foil in the roofing system, it's basically like putting a tree or a really cloudy day over the top part of the box. That is huge as far as reducing total heat flow into the home. And air conditioning is simply the removal of heat. If you can keep the heat from ever coming in, you don't have to pay to pull it out. So if you're doing a new metal or tile roof or any type of roofing system that has that airspace, installing roofing foil is the underlayment that pays for itself. And I'm not talking years, I'm talking months. Within 6 months or a year, the roofing foil will pay for itself. Bang for the buck, it's the best thing you can do. If you have any questions, visit the website roofingfoil.com or give us a call or send us an email.